car.
Today we're going to talk about my 97 Dodge Ram 1500. It's been a pretty good truck. I've had it a few months. Originally when I bought it, it had a bunch of extra stuff. I'll try and load some pictures up of it. It was taking me a lot of cutting metal and stuff to get to this point. I still have a lot to do, but I can only do so much in a day. I'm running 37 1250 Nexen MTX MTs, 37 1250 17s. So far they don't have a lot of miles on them, but so far I like them. They're doing pretty good. Pretty aggressive tread, works good down the road. It's fairly quiet and smooth, which I like that. I don't like a lot of noise. 3-inch lift, stock bumper. So far I'm working on that. I took a bunch of stuff off of that, so still working on it. The paint is actually spray paint. It is the Krylon 2x coat. It took me 5 coats to get to this stage. It's a little scratched up right now from four-wheeling, but it works really good. I could have done a lot better with the prepping, but that's my deal, not the Krylon paint deal. So but it turned out pretty good so far. Like I said, still have a lot to do. It's got a Dana 70 in the rear, so that's nice. Limited slip. It's got a 60 in the front out of a Ford. I do not have the central axle disconnect on this. Doesn't have that anymore, so that's cool. That's always kind of a weak spot. 456 gears. It's got the Yukon hub kit on it, so that's nice. Slotted and drilled rotors, which is pretty nice, except for in the mud. My brother, I haven't gotten them too deep in the mud yet. My brother said they catch rocks sometimes, so that happens. So I might get some squealing when I go through the mud or whatever. Made the back bumper. I'm still working on it. Like I said, everything. I'm not a welder. I'm not a fabricator. I'm just an everyday guy like everyone else. But I'm working on my bumper. Got to make something to fill in these little holes right here, which I think in a toolbox or something like that. It's nice with the 97s because you don't have the extra hole right here in the bed, so for the extended cab. So I just have the one door seam, which is pretty nice. That helps a lot with the dust and everything. It's got about 15,000 miles on the motor. It's got a cam in it, which is nice, a little extra power. Cold air intake. Other than that, yeah, just a cold air intake, cam, exhaust. Like I said, I've got very, very low mileage right now. 15,000 or so, so that's not bad. It should last for a long time at that rate. This is a dial, since it came with hub brakes in the drum brakes in the back. This is for the disc brakes, so I can actually tighten and loosen the brakes up with this right here, which that's pretty cool. I haven't had to do that yet. The transmission has titanium clutches in it, and a brake kit. I'm not sure what it's called, but like on your diesels and stuff, you can stop on the hill, you know, and not have to put it in park. It'll stay there, which that'll be cool rock crawling. I'm gonna try and go down to Rangeley, Colorado here before too long, and so that'll be pretty cool. Might get rid of the tailgate. It's got issues, so might get rid of that. Otherwise, so far it's a really good truck. Like I said, it's a 97 Dodge Ram 1500 with a 360 with a 70 and a 60, 456 gears, so it should handle a lot of abuse. Haven't had any issues yet, but never know. Crap happens to anybody, so any vehicle's breakable and can get stuck. So that's my truck. I hope you guys enjoy it and have a great day.